Lighting up the way. Valley Electric Association.
Do we have any sort of demographics on them? Age, pre-existing conditions? Because the only thing we're hearing is 20 cases. We know, that's all we know. Do you guys have any more information?
Probably be Scott Lewis, right?
Yeah, we do. Actually, every case is monitored. We do an investigation on each confirmed case that we receive, and that investigation includes any potential exposures. It also goes into the demographics. It goes into the age, the employment. There's a number of factors that we consider in that investigation. And I just want to stress, it's not 20 in Pahrump. It's 20 throughout Nye County. So that's an important number to remember. And each, no matter where it occurs or where the confirmation originates, and it's a Pahrump resident, that's where the investigation is around.
Okay, but is that information going to be made public? Because as far as we don't know anything, you know what I mean?
It's not really that relevant as far as who can and cannot get COVID. It's not. So, for example, there's always the thought that if you were in your 20s, for example, you would not be subject to COVID, and we know that's not true. If you were a child of a very young age, that you wouldn't be subject to COVID. We know that's not true. But as Dr. Reiner eloquently stated, there are certain individuals out there that are more prone to it, and that falls into the same categories that we're experiencing through our investigations.
Okay, and how about tracing where they've been? Is that information known as far as possible exposure locations? Is that relevant information?
It's something that we do research, and just as you might expect, the majority of the overlap, it doesn't mean this is where they contracted the virus, but simply that most people, when we do the matrix, we find that grocery stores, fuel stations, pharmacies, things along those lines are the common contact areas, but that does not necessarily have any indicator whatsoever where they contracted it.